Hi, Erin. Welcome to your first saxophone lesson.
Hi.
Okay, we're going to go ahead. We're actually going to get on the ground and get your saxophone case pulled around and put the thickest part on the bottom, so the thinnest is on the top. All right, good. Now, if you go ahead and open it. And here's your nice, shiny saxophone. It's perfectly, perfect, and nothing is broken, and this is how we want to keep it. So if you could go ahead and point to the biggest shiny piece that you see. Perfect. This is called the bell of the saxophone. And anytime you will pick up the body, which is the whole name of it, we are going to grab it by the bell. Next, point to the smallest shiny piece you see. That's called the neck of the saxophone. So these are the parts of the saxophone, and then this last piece right here is the mouthpiece. So first things first, in assembling our saxophone, we're going to put on our neck strap. So find something that looks like a necklace in your case. Perfect. And go ahead and put that on. Yeah, that's good. And then next, we're going to go ahead and get your reed out. It should be in a clear case in here. Does it have a 2 on it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then how we're going to do this, I'll show you. We're going to grab this, and if you could take your left hand and put the writing on the bottom and the thick end on the bottom, you're going to hold this side, and then with your right hand fingers, we're going to gently pull it out, slide it out, just like that. Okay, now you can just set your plastic down and go ahead and put it in your mouth and just soak it. Yeah. We're going to soak the whole thing, so don't be afraid. Okay. And next we're going to go ahead and we're going to get out our neck. So take your left hand. You can just put it in your mouth and not, just leave it. You're good. Go ahead and take your left hand, your index finger and your thumb, and we're going to pick it up from the side, making sure that we do not touch this key on top. This is the octave key. So we were trying to not touch that. So go ahead and you try pulling that out. Good, and then find something that looks like chapstick in your case. Yes, that is called cork grease. So go ahead and get that lid off. And here, I can help. There we go. Okay, and we're just going to lightly put it over the cork. This is so it helps the cork, just rub it all over. It helps it go on the mouthpiece better, and it's a little easier. Yeah, that's good, a thin layer. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and get out your mouthpiece. So go ahead and grab the whole thing. Yeah, there you go. So there's your mouthpiece. And the silver thing, so this is your mouthpiece. And then this is called a ligature. And it is separate from the mouthpiece and it holds the reed on. So we're going to go ahead and put your mouthpiece on here. So take the opening of the mouthpiece and flip it down. So turn it upside down like that. There you go. And you're just going to go ahead and kind of screw that on. Just wiggle it on there. You can push on this end if you need to. Yeah, and you just kind of screw it on there. Yeah, that's okay. You can push a little. So you'll just kind of get it as good as you can. And we're going to try and make sure that it is as straight as possible. So we want to line the opening up with the middle right there. So does that look, tell me if that looks good to you. Look pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead and flip around your reed. So you get this thick end. And we want to make sure that we never touch the tip. This is the thinnest end, and so you never want to touch anything up there. So go ahead and feel cliff. Get it real good. All right. Then when you get it out, hold it with the writing facing away from you. Perfect. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this in your left hand and you're going to push up with your thumb. You see, you can try pushing that up for me. Perfect. So what you're going to do is you're going to push this up, and you can even use your finger back here, and you're going to take your reed and you're just going to slide it right there on top of the hole, just like that. And then we're going to position your reed. So go ahead and try that. Perfect. Okay, now, what we're going to do is you want to make sure that your reed is kind of flush with the top. You want to see a little bit of black, and so you can press slightly gently on your reed. And you want to try and put it in the center it up, and then show just a sliver of black at the top. So you try and position, and I'll check it.
Like that?
Yeah, let me check. Looks good. Yeah, we're going to actually just push it up just a little bit more to see a little bit less black. And so now you just pull your ligature down tight, and then screw those screws. Just so it's other way. Yeah. All right, good. Now we're going to go ahead and sit back in our seats, and we're going to practice making a noise on just the mouthpiece. So I want you to take this mouthpiece, and you're going to grab it, and you can hold it just like this, and we're going to practice what we call anchor, inhale, set. And so it's the way that your embouchure is, which is the way that your mouth is positioned on the mouthpiece. So what I want you to do is hold it in a fist, just like that, and I want you to stick your top teeth on this little patch up there, and show me your teeth, like a squirrel, kind of, like that, yeah. Now I want you to say, ah, and then you breathe in, and then, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot one part. You're going to put your teeth on it, and then you're going to tuck just a little bit of your lip over your teeth, and then say, ah, and inhale, and then blow, and we'll see what comes out. So teeth, anchor, ah, inhale, set, and blow. So try a little bit more, put your lip over your teeth a little bit more. Try one more time. Yeah, over your bottom teeth. So you're going to go a little bit like that. Just a little. Yeah, good. Now just blow harder. Yeah, that's good. Try taking a little bit less mouthpiece. So try only letting your mouth come to about right there. A smaller amount. You can have your tongue touching the mouthpiece a little bit. Yeah. A little bit more mouthpiece.
Like?
Yeah, you could stick it in about up to around, yeah, a little bit more than you have. Go ahead. Good, that's good. Okay, try one more time. Make sure you got your teeth. Anchor, ah, inhale, set. Good, that's good. That's exactly what we're looking for. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get out the bell. So what I want you to do, I'll hold this while I instruct you. Take your right hand, and I want you to stick it in the bell and grab the bell. And then I want you to take your left hand and just gently help the rest of the body up. Okay, now set it in your lap, and you can turn it around. And there's a hook right there, and you're going to hook your neck strap onto the back. And then this little thing, you just pull that towards you to make it tighter. So go ahead and pull that. And then you can take your cap off and just put it in your case. Just pull up. And then stick it in your case. And we're going to go ahead and close that and put it over here. All right. So this is your saxophone, and we're going to go ahead and put the neck onto the saxophone. So you can just slide it right in, and then you have a screw. Yeah, just go ahead and push down. And we're going to try and line up this line with that line. So make sure it's straight. You feel good? All right, and now just screw that a little bit tighter. I think it might be the other way. Yeah, there you go. All right, that's good. Okay, now we're going to talk about posture. So we're going to be sitting for whenever we play, and I don't want you to sit it on your lap. We don't want to rest it on our lap. We want to make a little bit of space in your legs and let it hang, and you might have to adjust your neck strap. So the idea is that we want the mouthpiece to be level with your mouth, so that you can just make it slide straight into your mouth, and you don't have to bring it up or bring yourself down. So yeah, here, I'll help you. Is that too high?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, let's see. About there. Now try. Put it in your mouth. You can keep it wet. Yeah, you can keep the... Does that feel better? All right. So now for your finger placement, you're going to put your left thumb on that black dot right there. And then if you can see the front, you're going to skip the first pearl. And we're going to put your first finger right there. Then we're going to skip that second little pearl and put your middle finger, and then there you go, your ring finger. Perfect. Now for your right hand, there's a little hook on the back of the saxophone. So go ahead and find the little, see, and it looks like a place to put your thumb, but you're actually going to put your thumb under it. There you go. And then we're going to put our fingers, you can see the pearls over there, and your fingers just go right on those pearls. Perfect. So, you know, you can play around and feel that, see how it feels, and just keep your pinkies relaxed. You don't need to stick them up or anything. So today we're just going to learn 3 notes. We're going to learn B, A, and G. And the notes of the pearls, they spell bag, B-A-G. So the first, you're going to push down your first pearl, and that's B. So why don't we go ahead and try and make a noise on B. So get your teeth ready, anchor with your teeth, show me your teeth like a squirrel, and then you say ah, and then when you inhale, you'll have your lip over your teeth, and set, and blow. Good, try again. Go ahead. Yeah, see if you could take a little bit less mouthpiece. Go ahead. Good, okay. Now we're going to try, and we're going to hold down 2 fingers, and that is going to be A. So let's try that one. And make sure you get a good breath and lots of air whenever you're ready. Good. Want to try that one? Let's try it one more time whenever you're ready. Good. Okay, now the last note we're going to learn today is 3 fingers. So go ahead and put all 3 fingers down. And this note is G. So go ahead and try that one. Yeah, let's try one more time, and let's make sure your teeth are set on there, and your lip is a little bit, and your tongue is just slightly touching the reed. Yeah, good. And we want to make sure that our cheeks don't come out. We don't want to look like a blowfish. Not like that. We're going to keep our cheeks in. That's part of our tight embouchure. Good. Now, we're just going to try playing B, A, G. So let's start with B, 1 finger. Good. And whenever you're ready. Let's try one more time. Okay, let's see. Try taking a little bit less mouthpiece. There you go. A little bit more mouthpiece. That's okay. Good. A.
Wait.
2 fingers. 2 fingers. There you go. Yeah, you're right. 2 fingers. Good. 3 fingers. Yeah, see, you have to use a lot of warm air because it works better this way. And we also want to make sure, that's why having the mouthpiece level with your mouth is so important, so that the reed has space to vibrate. So let's try one more time. So
From B?
From B, yep. So get your teeth ready, and then feel your lip, and ready, anchor, ah, inhale, set. That's okay, it's okay. Take a little bit more mouthpiece.
Oh, wait.
That's okay, 3 fingers. Good. That's good. You made sounds on your first lesson. And so now we're going to go ahead and talk about how to clean our saxophone and then how to disassemble. So you can lay your saxophone on your lap and leave it connected and just kind of lay it there. And then I want you to go ahead and find something that looks like a cloth. This is called our swab. And so we are going to swab our instrument throughout our disassembly. Okay, so you want to always keep your neck strap on, and make sure that it is hooked on. That's like your safety net. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the reed, because if we take off anything else, it might damage the reed. So go ahead and unscrew that reed up there. Just kind of get that. And you'll have to push your ligature up with your thumb like we did. and gently, oh, don't touch the, yeah, there you go, the sides. That's okay. So we'll touch the sides so you can grab it. And we're going to go ahead and put it back just like we put it in. So yeah, you can lay that on your lap and hold this in your hand, and you're just going to slide it, gently slide it in. Yeah. Perfect. All right. And now we're going to go ahead and if you can get your, we're going to take off the mouthpiece next. So you can hold on to with your left hand right there and just kind of, yeah. Squeeze it and shake it up and off. Yeah, that's good. There we go. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and stick it back in the cap in the case.
Upside down?
The screws go face that way. So yeah, there you go. Perfect. And last thing, unscrew your neck. So the screw is right here. So just, I think it's towards you. Pull. Yeah, there you go. And then you kind of shake off the neck. Yeah, there you go. Gently, and then we'll put this back. And, all right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to put the weighted side in the smallest ending. So, well, it's in a knot. But this helps to get all the excess, you know, spit after practicing. And so this is something that is good to do after practice each week. So if you could go ahead and stick the weighted end up there. Stick that in there, and then, actually, I told you wrong. I'm so sorry. We're going to stick the weight in the biggest side, which is the bell. Don't listen to me. There we go. So go ahead and stick that in there, and you want to make sure that this is not all knotted up. And then you're going to turn it. You can unhook it and turn it upside down, and we're going to make the weight fall out. That's okay. Yeah, you go ahead and turn it upside down. Well, let's try again. Sometimes it gets caught on a little post. So stick it in here. Now turn it upside down. There you go. Now just go ahead and pull that out. Just go ahead and pull. Yeah, you gotta pull kind of hard. There we go. Perfect. All right, now just grab the bell with your right hand and the body with your left hand and go ahead and stick it back in here with your cap. There we go. And go ahead and stick it back in the case. And we'll make sure that everything is in here in its right compartment, and then you can shut the case. And with your neck strap, that's right. And we're good to go. Thank you so much.